Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a short but one of my favorite type of videos to film, and that is going to be a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. Initially, I didn't even realize I was gonna go to Dollar Tree. It was very last minute, but it was super crowded, so I did not get the chance to film at the store, but I did grab a couple of items that I really loved. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I upload new videos. I try to upload at least once a week. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I went to Dollar Tree and there was a lot of people there, so I just got a few items that I just really loved, and I didn't do too much, just a few things. But the Dollar Tree where I live, they have other items, not just dollar items. So some of these items are like $1.25, and there's a few others that are a couple dollars more. So let's go ahead and get started. It's gonna be short and sweet. I'm still undecided what I want to do about these lights, because I think the twinkle lights are cute, but it's almost like streaking on camera. So I apologize if it's like blurring things a little bit. I just want it to kind of look festive, but the lights are like killing me right now. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that I got, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to change the ornaments up for my tree this year, and I found these for $7 at Dollar Tree. When I tell you I'm obsessed, look at the colors on these ornaments. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. They are like that burgundy, purple, gold, sparkly, rose gold. Oh my God, I am so obsessed with this. These were $7. They never had $7 items there, but I feel like these were so worth it. It is a pack of 30 ornaments, and look at how gorgeous those colors are. These are stunning. I am so obsessed with these. I'm so excited to put these on my tree. I have a nice tree, and it has like the flocked snow on it, but I wanted to switch up the ornaments because my tree is fine. I just wanted new ornaments this year. And then I got this one for $1. I believe this was $1.50, just some extra ornaments. These are like the rose gold and the gold ones, because I think those would be a nice addition to the other ornaments. But these are way more affordable. They're like $1.50, I want to say. These are so cute. I love these. And then the next item, these are actually going to be for outside. And because I have these two like bars right in front of my front door, so I'm gonna put one for each side. And the bow fell off of this one. It's this little bow at the top that you see here. It's like these cute little bows. They are so adorable. These were $1. I think these were $1.25. But look how adorable. One for each side. I just have to put the bow back on this one because it did fall off, but I have it, so I'm just gonna like stick it on there somehow. But look at how cute those little ornaments, and these are gonna be for outside. So yeah, these were $1.25 each, but they are so adorable. I'm obsessed with these. Okay, and the next item that I got was 2 boxes of these old school multicolor string lights, the mini decorative string lights. I really like the old school traditional Christmas vibes, like the traditional multicolor lights. That's the vibe that I like the 90s Christmas. But I couldn't find the incandescent lights, which is what everybody's talking about, to get that 90s feel, but they did have these. So these were, I believe they were $4 each. Yeah, $4 each, and you get 100 of these, 100. I'm gonna put these on the border of my windows inside the house so you could see it on the outside. It's hard for me to decorate outside because I have a lot of pain, so reaching high is hard. But doing this in my windows, it'll at least show outside, so I'm excited about that. And they are the green. They have the string, the green string, if I said that right. These are the ones, but it's well worth it. These are really nice quality for $4. Perfect. So I just needed 2 of these because I have 2 windows that show towards the outside. And then the next thing I got, I think this might be like a dupe from like Hobby Lobby, but look at how freaking cute this is. Ah, it matches my dress. I just realized it literally matches my dress. But this says it's the most wonderful time of year. Look at how adorable. This is gonna be for my living room. I'm gonna put this right behind my sofa, like on the wall, right above. Look at how gorgeous. This is one of my favorite signs this year. And it's like that wooden panel at the back, but super cute. And I think this was, I want to say this was $1.50. I think it's $1.50 or $1.25, but this is adorable. I'm obsessed with this. It's so cute. All right, the next item is, I did get another wall sign and then I left it. I was like, I changed my mind at the last minute and I left it, but I might go back and get it. I don't know yet. We'll see. But then I got this. I always like to get these little towel sets. Look at how adorable. This one says Winter Wishes, and it's so cute. It has the little snowflakes all throughout. This is gorgeous for the kitchen. These were $1.25 each. Look at how beautiful. And then you got the glove, the oven mitt. Look at how cute. I got the little pan holder ones and then I left it too. I don't know why I left it. I should have just grabbed it, but I'm happy with these two. This is adorable. They had a lot of different sets also. They had like little snowman ones and like an old school Christmas, but I really like the colors for this one instead. So that's why I ended up getting these. And then what else did I get? Oh, this is so adorable. Watch. I love to get these little plastic containers to put like leftover food on Thanksgiving, or for like if I bake something. I love to get these for like Christmas and Thanksgiving. They had all types of different ones, but the gingerbread, this is new. I thought this was so freaking cute. And these are, I think these were $1.25 also. How adorable is that? And you can put anything in these. Like you can put cookies or dessert, anything. So these are perfect for that. I definitely want to get more of these, but I love this one. All right, let's see what else I got. I think those are like the big items, and then little supportive items that I got. This is literally it. And then I just got some of these push pins to like help put the lights up, because I was looking for command strips, but they didn't have any. So I got the push pins, and these were $1.25. And then I just got this tape just in case I have to tape anything. This was $1.25 also. But let me see, is that literally it? Yeah, that's literally all I got. So it was gonna be short and sweet. But oh, also let me show you these gorgeous earrings. I should have put them on. Look at how gorgeous. This is not from Dollar Tree. My son got me these at, I think he got it at Walmart or Target. I'm not sure, but look at how beautiful these are. Off topic, but like they match my dress. They're so gorgeous. If I could find the link for these, I'll link them below. But everything else is at Dollar Tree, so I might not have a link for these. But yes, I am so obsessed with all of this. If I can find any links, I will link it in the description box. But typically, every Dollar Tree is different, so you probably have to go into your local Dollar Tree to see what they have for Christmas. But it is one of my favorite videos to make because I love going there for Christmas. So I'm really happy that I was able to go. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Dollar Tree haul. And I will be making more festive videos. I have a candle haul coming soon. And yeah, that'll probably be the next video. It'll be like a Christmas candle haul that I got. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite. And I will see you all next time. Bye guys.